Hello. I have been asked by some of my viewers about the makeup that I wear. So as I'm getting ready to meet Diane for lunch today at Athenian Gardens for Gyros, which is on our regular rotation. But with the hurricane and my road trip across America, we haven't been in a while, and so I'm very excited. But anyway, I'm not sure about this. I'm gonna just throw my makeup on as I do, show you what I use, and maybe, I don't know if this video will work out or not, but we're gonna give it a shot. So, concealer, NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer, I think it's called. I just put a little on the back of my hand. I learned all these things on YouTube. Rub it around, and then tap, tap, tap. Blend, blend, blend. Hard to do that with your mouth shut. Okay, throw on a little foundation, which is Estee Lauder Double Wear. Love. I've tried a million, and I don't know why I would use anything. I won't use anything but this anymore. I'm just sick of trying all that other stuff, and this is the bomb. And then I mix in a little Becca Champagne Pop. Just a little. Not going full drag today for a lunch date with Diane. Sorry, Diane. You deserve better. And then I have age spots on everywhere, but that's basically what I just try to cover up. I don't like to wear. I'm not saying I don't wear makeup all over my face if I'm doing something totally spectacular. But for lunch, the Greek, I don't know, that looks okay, I think. I hope. The other thing about getting old is it's hard to put your makeup on because you need your glasses, but you can't put your makeup on while your glasses are on. So I don't know, it's a vicious cycle. Okay, NARS Laguna Bronzer. I just kind of mix both colors together. Good. A little blush. Little blush. I'm using a cream blush. It's a L'Oreal Infallible that I love. And so I put a little on a brush and tap it in the back of my hand. I learned that from Kathleen Lights, my friend Kathleen. You can't see anything when you're old, so hoping for the best here. Then I got this on my road trip across America. It is a cream eyeshadow, Laura Mercier cream eyeshadow stick that is amazing. You probably won't be able to even see it. It takes more time to look like you're not wearing makeup than it does to look like you are wearing makeup, if that makes any sense. I don't know. Stomach's growling. We get the same thing and have for years at the Greek. It's Athenian Gardens. His gyros, his mother is the cook. It's Stefano runs the front of the house, and his mother is the cook, and she is the bomb, and love her to death. And she makes the best gyros. Actually, I had one yesterday. I had to bring my mom home from the hospital, and she was hungry, and it's right across the street from the hospital, so we did carry out. Okay, so much for that, I think. And I'm going to put a little bit of this, can't read the color, but it's a little kind of a tan shade from MAC, my crease. Keep your mouth closed, very unattractive. This gives me a new respect for the people, girls and boys, I watch doing makeup on YouTube, because it's hard. Okay. Little eyeliner. I think I'll just use this brown shade from Bobbi Brown. I have a magnifying mirror here and a not very magnifying mirror here. It takes a village. Hope that's even. Hoping for the best. Hoping for the best. Okay. A little all over bronzer from Hourglass, which I love Hourglass. A little brown in my waterline. This is Rimmel Scandal Eyes, which I just discovered and I love. I already curled my lashes. I do that before I do anything. Little mascara. L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I think that's it. You gotta always get the makeup off your lips, which is totally gross. And I use a setting spray to finish. I normally do that before I put my mascara on, but I'm nervous and I forgot. So I'm not gonna try to spray it. I'll just spray it down here, because if you spray it up here, bad things happen. Very bad things happen. And I'm going to use Morphe setting spray. Oh, wait till you see what I have to dry my setting spray. It's very cool. I got this from our grandson's college. Actually, my stepdaughter snagged it for me. I asked for it and she got me one. Seems crazy, I know, but just part of my routine. Okay. Now when I put my eyeglasses on, it'll probably look scary, but right now it doesn't look too bad. So, oh, lip gloss, of course. Lip gloss, of course. I got this MAC lip gloss on my road trip across America on one of the many Sephoras I went into. No, that's wrong. I had recycles from MAC, and so I went into the MAC store at Keystone at the Crossing in Indianapolis. Okay, now I'm done. I don't even know if I'm going to post this, but I thought I would just give it a try. Seems silly, but I enjoy watching makeup videos, but they're all a lot, well, no, that's not true. They're not all a lot younger than me. Some of them are pretty close to my age. Some of them are boys that are much younger, but they're very funny. So anyway, I guess that's it for now. We've got out-of-town guests coming over for drinks. We're going to walk next door to Dockside for dinner. So maybe I'll come back when I'm trying to fluff up. I don't know. Okay, bye. Okay, so I don't have time now to try to fluff up my makeup before our out-of-town guests come over from Hilton Head. They've been there for a week and they're just coming over for drinks. And also I meant to show you a picture, take a little video of my gyros at Athenian Gardens for lunch, but I started talking to Diane and I lost all track of everything. So I just shot some video going in there, but I didn't show my lunch. So next time I go, I definitely will. But I'm just gonna end this video, I guess, with a little makeup thing and hope you enjoy it. So hope everybody has a good week and I'll see you next time.